Welcome back, guys. So there's a new update in User Defense. Just because, you know, this is mine. New huge upgrade. New menu. Guys, do you see down the overnight in here? Well, you can check people's unit. So, that's a huge update and happy Valentine's Day, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. So this is a huge upgrade right now, guys. So make sure to like and subscribe. You see the any 1x1x? What is that? Yo, what I didn't even know is that is urinate. Interesting. So there's a new update right now, and this is so fire, guys.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth.